Mould King Magic Station. Part 1, Bags 1. So hello everybody and welcome to Square Ghost in this first part of Mould King's Magic Station. And here we are with the first little throw show, and we've got 4 of these 16x16 plates plus an 8x16 in the middle. And I'm going to be honest and say I didn't realise how big this is going to be, because I think we're building further this way, and I'll try and get some in which case I'm going to need more room. I'm going to have to move my book, and you can basically see we've just done some big slopes. You can just about see the big slopes there. We've got our technique. You can just about, can you see? Well, there is holes in, I promise you that. Wait a minute. There you go. I've just put the light on just so as you can see the holes. I'm not going and do a lally pop-up. And if I move back now with that, you can basically see where we are. Like I say, we've built up the frame. These are, if you can see again, these are just the slopes. And then we've got more technique at the back. And as I say, we're now going to build on, but we're going to build up as well. So I wanted to show you the early state of play. So there you go. As I say, as you see, we've built round, we put the big bricks across the middle. One thing I would like to say about the plans, you look at that and I was wondering, you know, yeah, you can roughly work out where everything is, but if I slip down here, there's a lovely position on the Mould King plans that tells you exactly from a head down view, looking straight down, where they are. I like that. Well done, Mould King. Very, very good. Right, we're getting more plates on and we're coming across. So here we are again, and I thought I'd just show you what we've done. Obviously all the way around now, but with these going across here, and these are 2x10s, the big bricks, big solid bricks, as you can see down there. We are making up what I can only say is going to be a mills plate. This part is going to be mills for our station to stand on. If I just show you the plans quickly, that's where we're going next. But I just wanted to show you the underneath, because once the plate goes on, you're never going to see that underneath again. So it just shows you the foundations of what we are going to be building on later. So I'm hoping you can see, I hope and think that is our building base and how big it is going to be. You can see our plates have gone on exactly like I said. Really, really nice tight fit. That to use the little Mould King hammer just to seat things properly and nice. But we'll look at that nice area to build on. And we're now about to add some track. We've just done the train track very, very quickly, 3 pieces together, and as you can see, if I tip it, it just clicks together. You can just about see the connection there, and that's how it connects. And it's nice, it's a nice solid, not going anywhere piece, which is good. The hardest part was getting the little bolts out. They come like that, and you can see the little brown, but that's the hard part, is pulling them out of that. But now we're going to get them onto the plates, and this is it's getting exciting now. So just so as you can see, as we're coming to the end of part 1, we've milled up again. We've put the sides on, we've got the bricks all the way down, and we're about to put our plates, which is our 6x16s, I think it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 14s maybe, I don't know. Anyway, it's going on, and then that is the end of the section. Sorry for shaky cam, and there you have it. That is where we are leaving part 1, which is exactly halfway through bag 1, and I think it's enough there to take in for a part. You know, there's another, like I say, another exactly the same number of sections and things to go as we start to build on top. So I think that's a nice place to end it, as we've milled, if you like, where we're going to build on the foundations. We've got our first piece of track on, which is absolutely fandabidozy, and everything is lovely and solid and looking really, really good. They're really, really firm. Again, going back to these plates here, you know, you can push them on by all means, but to get them nice and snug, and if you look, they are snug, you need that Mould King hammer just to snuggle them down, and then everything is absolutely fantastic. It's really, really good. You can see, I hope, I'm not trying to rush, but it's been a nice build. It slopes. We've still, I think when you come, if I can just slightly go back, the plate ends here. This is just other stuff at the back. Plate ends here. Come on, get a grip. So I'm assuming, and again, I'm only guessing, I think the other track will go here. Then we'll have our buildings, which is going to be really, really interesting to see how everything fits. But we'll come to that when we come to it. So without further ado, I hope you've enjoyed this part of this build. It's been an interesting part one, hasn't it, to this, as I say, this magic station. I keep forgetting the title for some unknown reason. This Mould King's magic station. And like I say, I hope you've enjoyed this as much as I have for this first part of this build. And if you have, please click on that like button for me. Yes, hit that thumbs up. It's always nice, does me the world of good, does the channel a world of good. And if you want to drop a few comments, please don't be frightened. Put something down, whatever you want. Tell me what you think. Have you built this set? Have you encountered any problems? Has it gone together as snugly as mine has here? So far, so good. Fingers crossed. And if you want to follow us tomorrow on to part 2 and the completion of bag 1, yeah, then all you have to do is click on that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Like I say, it's been a nice build, really enjoyable, no stresses or nothing yet. Needed the Mould King hammer a few times, but that has been hit. Any of you watched this little video, as I still say to any of my other videos, thank you very, very much for watching, and I hope I'll see you all here tomorrow at Square Ghost for part 2 of Mould King's, yes, magic station. I've got it right. And with that, you know the score, you know the drill. My name's Kev, I am Square Ghost, and I'll see you all on the flip side.